Hello friends, in this video I intend to teach you how to register with the Trade Nation broker. You go to the Forex Brokers section, select the Trade Nation broker, click on Go to Website, and you'll enter the Trade Nation website. Then click on Sign Up. In the registration section, you can register using your Google, Apple, or LinkedIn account, or you can manually enter your email address. For the password, I recommend using a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers and symbols, and make sure it's between 8 to 15 characters long. After entering the information, you click on Sign Up. In the next step, you select your country of residence as well as your nationality. You confirm the site's terms and conditions by checking the box, and then click on this option. In the next step, you enter your name and click on Continue. You also simply enter your phone number and click on Continue. In the next section, you select your platform by clicking on this option and then click on Continue. In the next section, you enter the desired amount and click on Continue. In the next step, your password is for. You select your platform and then click on Continue. In the next section, you enter your frequently used activities and click on Continue. In the following part, you respond about your trading experience and click on Continue. In the next section, you enter your frequently used activities and click on Continue. In the next section, you respond about your trading experience and click on Continue. You enter your employment status and click on Continue. You select your type of employment and click on this option. You enter your type of income and click on Continue. You enter your income and provide information about your income again. You select the amount you want to trade. And then we move on to the verification section, which we will explain in the next video. We will provide training on verification. So stay with us.